Hey guys, and welcome back to my channel. So if this is your first time on my channel, you're most welcome. Please subscribe to my channel to stay updated with more tutorials and DIYs I'll be putting up. So I did my first ever wash and go over the weekend, and believe me when I tell you, it's the easiest and fastest thing you could ever do to your natural hair. It took me no more than 30 minutes. Okay, it took me more than 30 minutes because I was, shooting the video, making sure the camera was catching everything I was doing and all of that. But if I wasn't shooting, it wouldn't have taken me more than 30 minutes. So if you like to see how I came about this look and the product I use, especially if you're in Nigeria, you get your easy to go product, just keep watching. So I started like I would always do, damping my hair with water and massage the water properly into my scalp. And next I went with my Dark and Lovely Corrective Leave-In Conditioner. I also massaged properly into my scalp. And I did some combing. Next thing again was to go in with my unrefined shea butter. Like, this is like my regular routine, guys. If you've seen like few of my hair tutorials, I always dampen my hair with water, use Dark and Lovely Leave-In Conditioner and my shea butter. Like, all that just makes combing really easy for me, and there's also minimal breaking of hair, like really minimal. And then the next thing was section my hair in 4 parts. As a naturalista, we tend to have like really full thick hair, so sectioning hair just makes the work a lot easier, and before you know what's happening, you're done with the hair. But if you were to go in, like just go in straight and work on the whole hair, it will feel like you're making the hair of the whole world. So that's what I'm doing right here. I'm sectioning in 4 parts. You could section in more, but 4 is like the, would I say, standard. So for this wash and go tutorial, the products I'll be using are my ORS Lock and Twist Gel, Petals Styling Gel, and my Petals Styling Gel. Like, if you're in Nigeria, these are really easy products you could find in almost any store. So I started from the back and worked my way all through to the front, but I didn't, capture myself doing the back. Anyways, first I went in with my Lock and Twist Styling Gel, and one thing I'd really like you guys to take note of here is like the movement of my hands. If you notice, I'm using my fingers to pass through from the root of my hair to the tip of my hair. And as you can see, my curls are already forming. And then the next thing I did was spray my SofnFree Spritz gel. You could do this before the ORS Lock and Twist gel or after, either ways. And after that, I went in with my Eco Styling Gel and Petals Gel. I used the both of them together. And now this is like where like the main work starts, like the working of the fingers and all of that. Please, once again, take note of the movement of my fingers. So I went ahead and divided the section. This is just to ensure a more defined curls, because the smaller the portion of the hair you're working on, the better your fingers work through and all of that. So this is basically just to get that more defined curls on like almost every strand if possible. So I repeated the same step on the other part and on basically every other part of my hair. So I'm just going to quickly run through to the end of the whole process so you all can watch me finish up.
This work only 'cause we never say what we think, waiting for the perfect way. Time zone speak, got me on delay, 'cause I cross a million seas. Would you do that for me? Times, and I run all the red lights across a million seas just to have you next to me. Paris and Tokyo, I go where I have to go. Screw geography, but would you do that for me? Close your eyes, would you dream for me? Some paradise, tell me who you see, 'cause I think I do want you next to me. Want you next to me, but does this work? 'Cause I know I can't get to you, I like the chase, and I know you do too. Am I just in love with the idea of you? 'Cause I'd cross a million seas. Would you do that for me? Yeah, I'd fly this whole world twice if I could be your paradise.
So we've come to the end of the tutorial, guys. I hope you all enjoyed watching this. If you did, please give this video a thumbs up. If you did, which I'm hoping you did, please give this video a thumbs up and subscribe. You know, right under the video you see the subscribe button. Click on it to get subscribed to my channel straight away. And you know, share to some other naturalista you feel might like what you just saw. So till my next video, till next time, as always, stay out of trouble. Bye bye.